Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we learn how to install VS Code on Windows 11 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel and like the video. So I have opened Chrome and I type here VS Code. Click on downloads here and open the website and go to download from here. And download from Windows, click here. It will start the download process, and once it's completed, go to the downloads folder and run the setup, VS Code setup. Click on I accept the agreement and click on next. So I'll keep the default path, see users, and click on next. Next, create desktop icon, open with code, add to code, action yes. I'll do all of these. So sometimes I need to open the directly to VS Code. So click on next, install. So it will take a little time. So click on finish and it will launch the VS Code. So VS Code is installed in a Windows 11 machine. So if you want to set up the environment, a complete environment, you can watch videos of how to install WAMP on Windows 11, how to install Git Bash on Windows 11. So we have two options here. We can skip either or do the setup. So choose a theme. I'll go with the default one. Yeah, I like this one. And browser language, I'll go with the same. Mark as done and next section. Mark as done. So this is it.